First, the top stories. Manipur's culture is unparalleled, says Prahlad Singh Patel. Center requested to act against Kuki militant groups disrupting peace, says Radheshyam. And More Hospital faces acute shortage of water. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Independent Charge Prahlad Singh Patel today stated that Manipur's culture is unparalleled. He was attending Inat Cultural Community Meet 2019 at MSF DS Hall, Imphal, organized by Manipur University, Kansipur. Speaking at the function, Patel appreciated the unique culture and identity of Manipur, saying he has not come across any culture as rich as Manipur. It is unparalleled, he said. He asserted that the people in Manipur are keen conservators and promoters of cultural heritage. The Union Minister commented on the varied communities in Manipur and mentioned about the diverse culture and traditions, dance and martial arts of the state. He rated Manipur as the perfect place for running a university of culture and that the state's art and culture holds a special place. He assured all help from the Center for the State of Manipur. Patel, who arrived in Imphal yesterday in a two-day visit to the state, had opened the third edition of SURAJ Lily Festival at Ukhrul.
एक ही राज्य में अलग-अलग तरीके से वो प्रयोग मैंने इस मंच पर भी देखा है। मैं उन तमाम लोगों को मैं जानता नहीं, मैं उन सबको बधाई देता हूं कि आपका जो प्रस्तुतिकरण था फ्यूजन का वो निश्चित रूप से ऊंचाई छुएगा, आपको स्थान मिलेगा। आप इसकी कोशिश करें। इस शुभकामना के साथ मैं फिर से आयोजकों का आभार व्यक्त करते हुए अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूं। मैं भविष्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि आप अपनी संस्कृति के वाहक बने, वो देश और दुनिया में मणिपुर का नाम रोशन करें। उसमें जो सहयोग भारत सरकार के संस्कृति मंत्रालय के नाते हो सकता है, मैं आपको आश्वस्त करता हूं कि मैं करूंगा।
Taking part in the function, Manipur Arts and Culture Minister L. Jayantikumar said that due to lack of proper infrastructure of the Manipur University of Culture, full functioning of the varsity has been delayed. He informed that the Union Ministry has given a green signal to provide the required infrastructure soon.
Amri tangkul gi jogoi kamai towi tiki sanapati maumorang jogoi kamai towi chotei kamai towi ate loina na khoi ki chinau sing gi kamai towi meti gi jogoi kamai towi karawai no mana be yawi harga same platform the same stage da khoina jogoi samin narba kanda awa patha narba kanda thamoi khang narba kanda dushi narba thla kane, and that is what we are going to do, and it is where our Union Minister Prime Policy is going to help us. So let's wait and let's thank to the Almighty Father and the Short of Koramsi, the Kulinum Mongoloina Bakoi, when I say that I am the Hajaraga, but I participate to my program. I am sure I won't take much of his valuable time.
Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Y. Jayakumar, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister L. Ledpao Hokip, Lok Sabha MP R. K. Ranjan, Khetrigao MLA Nahakpam Indrajit and Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Bobby Wycombe also attended the event. Meanwhile, Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel called on Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah at the Raj Bhavan, Imphal. What transpired in the meeting between the two leaders was not released. However, sources said they discussed about the present situation facing the Biren government. Manipur government spokesperson and Education Minister T.S. Radheshyam today said the center has been requested to take action against Kuki militant groups under suspension of Operation Sue, which are violating ground rules to incite tension between communities in the state. Speaking to media in his chamber at News Secretariat, Radheshyam said that there are intelligence reports that Sioux groups are trying to disrupt peace in the aftermath of the agreement between the state government and Kuki civil society over the issue emanating from centenary celebration of Anglo-Kuki War. Some Kuki underground groups are violating the agreement and instigating people to go against it, he said. The center has been requested to act against such groups, Radhesyam said. He also informed that an order has been issued to nab all members of Kuki Students Organization KSO Technopal by registering an FIR against them for threatening to close down all educational institutes in Technopal area in defiance of the agreement.
Government recognize the all. British ki mayok land hold rekara kano to have to recognize to we when a government to when high demand siam edo hanan sahi sama sura banina akoi khanna rakana pare ado idi yeng sen to rakana ngasai gi restricted holiday lauthokpa aduga akoi gi memorial park amma adu Kuki rebellion haina to raga adu to wa haina yanaraga lei ngarang yanara sakhibase sirei sirei yanaba yaroi haina ki han gon na to raga akoi gi su de yaw group kharana mafam khara ta to raga nongoi ga blame fire to ko dan law kong na khara to dagi musi yana si kai bi sarkar ho je koi verify to hon masali krai kai ki to ni yeng wena si gum je koi government lein len si gum to bu yaroi koi action law gani hena aduna atopa community me am so appeal to je mai tei khang ne naga hene ni bod lemin ne ma am so amana tawre hena summalan ma khang na akoi no react to debida akoi yaringi santi yamna wana phangjara santi Raksha ki phiyom haite masi maintain tawbada saruk yabiyo hena sine appeal to.
Doctors, staffs and patients at Moreh Hospital have been suffering as the primary health engineering water supply has stopped supply of water to the Lone District Hospital for the last 2 months. When the matter was put up before the concerned authority, the concerned department said the hospital should bear the expenses for pipeline repair for restoration of the water supply. Medical officer in charge of the hospital, Dr. S. Kumar, said that since the non-supply of water began, he has been using his own pocket money to draw water from the river for hospital use. He further said that doctors, patients and staffs are facing hardships due to the situation. It may be mentioned that there are instances where the patients blame the doctors for the inconveniences. Dr. Kumar appealed to the concerned authority to sort out the problem the soonest they can.
Water supply room the high also water supply room the phone over so pipe to sillo akoy na wayna lanai sinjaraga ising je chingjabagi phibam da lai aduga hauji akoy na so kano mayam do hunjabani turen dagi ising je chingkhale turen di ising chingkhal ba je pura process to di ade process adu da koi friji gi ha pani alam adagi amu blessing bawda mu hap tayar ana mayam yeng lai bina kamai ising do pura direct chingkhala dum kano season handoi no aduna koi blessing bawda lai ba changi adagi friji gi alam ju lai ba changi aduna koi sona kan hospital gi koi hoji koi duty tari ba doctor singjina awa ba yam na mayong na re adagi patient ju hoji no moda around 70-80 lai OPD plus emergency da adum patient party na di doctor da koi duty tari ba doctor sum tainabi na lai re mayam na kano tawraga ising laite doctor da du yen chande koi duty bu tawdara natraga ising bu senagadara ama mo tawdara adu koi ju ko option bam yaure yam awa ba mu re.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today chaired a cabinet meeting which was held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. The cabinet meeting is understood to have discussed in detail about different issues facing the state. Sources inform that the cabinet meeting also deliberated on the current issue arising out of the centenary celebration of Anglo-Kuki War. Medillion Ambulance Service observed its third Foundation Day today at the Imperial Hall of Classic Grand Chingmerong, Imphal. At the occasion, a new ambulance service equipped with advanced and basic life support system and a mobile application was launched. Talking to media on the sidelines of the function, Managing Director of Medillion Ambulance Service, Dr. M. Dayananda, informed that the newly launched mobile app will ensure quick and easy access of the service by the public. He also said Medillion is also planning to start air ambulance service shortly.
We have charges potung doctor equipment communication gap but gap affordable
Attending the event as chief guest, Chairman of Babina Group of Industries, Dr. Dhavali Thangzam hailed Dr. M. Dayananda and Medillion Ambulance Service for immense contribution to the society. He said the masses will benefit a lot from the service.
Ambulance and obey this announcement to air ambulance the card lurkani the Marak patient I'm serious about impal lang mangam the Mapanda Pugoda Delhi the Mumbai the Mapamanda Pugoda Muntamda some the normal aircraft the sit low togas hang Napolo Pugani facilities late other air ambulance the life support systems plain mungum yauser dedicated service ni the impal dagi any place of when it's running from the Chapada ambulance chomating on Pangani adu simaksu hujik when from time to time thengna lakni aduga hujik Medillion air ambulance ki mapani farm tie up torga pirakador service in mafam sigi the ma'am pun of the kana piragani have say thazase.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Iowa Manipur team takes part in tree plantation program at St. Paul's Retreat House, Manipuri, Imphal.
Nupi akhoi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai nga seksinduna talakli adubu mahausa yu khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramda masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasi de khoi chingnaningai oidre akhoi gi damak Bright Enterprises ki Ningol Khudo. Takadoriba Ningol Chakobada set innabagidamak quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak same saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhalgi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigen
Nupi kaktagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangaw mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adom gi apama design kuding makki order slokjak amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur nagamapal ima kaithel gi opposite gi fast food da leiba Showers Boutique
Welcome back after the break. Mercy Kurizam, who bagged Best Smile in the recently held Miss Iowa 2019 in collaboration with Manipur Catholic Youth Organization and Iowa Manipur team, jointly organized a tree plantation program at St. Paul's Retreat House, Manipuri, Imphal today. The program was held as part of Go Green mission under the theme More Trees for Climate Change. Father Jacob Chapau, Father Mark Thangkanhai, Father Joseph Dale of St. Paul Retreat House, TOMTV News anchor SURAJ Khongban, Director of Iowa Bhumichan Khaba, Mrs. Iowa India 2018 Hen Thoi B Moirangthem, Mrs. Asia Pacific Special Queen Award 2019 Ambassador and Mrs. Asia Pacific 2019 Supermodel titles winner Sylvia Adapro, along with volunteers of Manipur Catholic Youth Organization, took part in the tree plantation program. Rapist Hemam Rajesh Meite, aged 28 years, of Konzengbam Lekai, Moirang, Bisnupur district, has been sentenced to 7 years in jail and imposed a fine of Rs 1,50,000 against him today by Special Judge Poksho, Imphal West. H. Rajesh Meite was convicted under Section 366, 368 and Section 4 of Poksho Act 2012 for kidnapping and sexually assaulting a minor girl. Students of Ananda Singh High Secondary School, New Chekon, today staged a sit-in protest in front of the school premises, demanding the government to send required teachers of the school. The protesting students condemned the concerned authority for allegedly failing to send the required number of teachers, despite the matter has been brought before the related department. Finance Secretary of the school, Wangkhem Bungo Mete, informed that the concerned department has assured to provide teachers within 2 months. However, no action has been taken so far. He warned of intense hesitation if the demand is not met at the earliest.
Mangda Education Director, Madi Additional Education Director, Unajaure Makoina, Unajar Bathana, July, Aduga, Makoina Taja Prakana, October, date 9, the interview Loraga, date 15, Bogi Manunda. Was a Sweden Tarkan Aduna, I have a Taza Pizzeria Dubo, Hauzik Papa Makoina, Taza Piraga, Azipopo, Dr. Octabasida, Akogi, and the Singer Secondary Academy student, Mam Singna, Makoina, Atumat of the Tark Tabataragadi, Makal Makakiagi, protest, Hania Later, Sansilakini, Highway, why is it Tamjaraga, Lushinjari?
Humanism Foundation and 11 Gurkha Rifles jointly organized an awareness program on skill development courses at Ngai Khong Sifai Community Hall. Managing Trustee of Humanism Foundation, Wahingbam Ruki Chan Singh, Pradhan of Ngai Khong Kulen Gram Panchayat, Moirangthem Bala Devi, President of Ullaso Club, Ngai Khong Sifai, and Major Rajan Kumar of 11 Gurkha Rifles attended the program. Managing Trustee of Humanism Foundation, Ruki Chand, deliberated on the courses being offered by Humanism Foundation under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme of National Skill Development Corporation at the Skill Development Center, Lakoipat, Bisnupur. While encouraging youths of the locals, Pradhan of Ngai Khong Kulen appreciated the skill development initiative by Humanism Foundation and 11 Gorkha Rifles in Bisnupur district. In his speech, Major Rajan Kumar encouraged youth to take skill development courses and ensured to extend possible support for the betterment of the local youths. Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Manipur organized a vegetable seed distribution function under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH 2019-2020 at Farmers Training Hall, Khongampa today. Speaking at the event, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.A. Syam Kumar said that the department distributes winter seeds to the registered farmers every year so that they can cultivate the seeds at their respective land or courtyards. Farmers must have the habit of seedlings and seed preservation. Syam Kumar urged vegetable seeds were distributed to 32 selected farmers of 12 districts during the program.
Pibanati, Inkol Koriba, Horticulture, Inkol Koriba, Adam Lomi Singa, Department officers in the Department in the Sakanga Badumba, recognized or Badumba, Lomi Singa, Piba, Rabi Kroki Sit, Yentopagi. Sumba, Toromasida, Ayambadi, agriculture, Amadi horticulture, uneasy is a like one family. Yumama, Lamdamama Sakapasi, Isagi state, Isagi Inkol, Ikagi Manung, Yanaka Lunga Inkol, Akoi Mayam Singasi, Matam Mahimarong, Amahipalepan, Intijana, Tabangam Dugi, Mayam, Political Department officers in Taudun Lai Masum, Tauri, Amazon Hena, Mayam Tanaraga, Razamiam Sapoto.
Oil India Limited signed an MOU with Piramal Swasthya Management and Research Institute PSMRI Guwahati for implementation of Oil Sparsha, a mobile dispensary project under Oil's corporate social responsibility at Oil Field Headquarters, Dulaijan recently, media reports said today. The project will be implemented in oil operational areas of Tinsukia, Dibrugarh and Charaidio district in Assam and parts of Arunachal Pradesh, wherein at least 2,000 numbers of camps will be held, targeting over 2 lakh beneficiaries annually. Its mobile dispensary camps shall have professionally qualified doctors, nurses and paramedics, providing free of cost lab testing, diagnosis and treatment for clinical diseases. The mobile dispensary project has always been one of the most significant community welfare projects of Oil India Limited under health, started way back in 1980s by catering to the primary healthcare needs of the people from oil's operational area, and in last 9 years. The project has impacted around 13 lakhs beneficiaries across 9,351 numbers of camps. The Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve in Assam's Darang district is all set to open for the new tourism season. The park, which is also called as the Mini Kaziranga, will be reopened for tourists and visitors from November 1st next. According to reports, there will be some restrictions in the vehicular of movement due to the ongoing repairing works on some of the routes in the park which had been affected by the last waves of flood. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur. Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Siru Festival Gidamak lamjingbatomtv Chada Taranipan discount pijari. Round trip Lupa Lising Ahum Chamri Nifumari. Drop Lupa Lising Ani Chamapan Yankhanithoi. Night charts Lupa Lising Ama. Ngasima book Tobio Langston Birakse Lamjingbatomtv office Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Temple. Phone number 8794613154. Aikogi toll free number 800102795.
Welcome back. A senior Indian official today sought to address concerns raised by US lawmakers at a closed-door briefing on Capitol Hill that range from the restrictions in place in Kashmir to a prosperous allegation that Hindu music was being forced upon Muslims there. According to media reports, the US lawmakers spoke about restrictions on communications using the word blockade, as some have described it, including internet and prepaid mobile phones and detentions. According to people familiar with the discussions, the denial of permission to foreign journalists to report from the valley also figured. Stressing on the need to rewrite history from India's point of view, Union Home Minister Amit Shah today said had it not been for Veer Savarkar, the first war of independence in 1857 would have been seen from Britain's point of view, a media report said. His remarks came 2 days after the Maharashtra BJP unit said in its election manifesto that the party will ask the centre to confer Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, on Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, who is also known as Veer Savarkar. Amit Shah inaugurated a 2-day international seminar on Varanasi on Govvansak Veer Skadgupta Vikramaditya at the Banaras Hindu University. Referring to eminent historians in the audience and on the dais, he said it is his request to all that there is a need to rewrite the Indian history from India's point of view, but without blaming anyone. He further said that it is their responsibility to write the history. Shah also expressed regret that the present generation was not aware of the contributions and valor of Skadgupta Vikramaditya and many other great Indians because of lack of documentation. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, in the ongoing 6th Pisak Memorial First Division Football League 2019 organized by District Sports Association Bisnupur, Laisal Laimapokpam defeated BFA Nacho by 3-2 in today's match played at Mini Stadium of Bisnupur. Demanding a trial bout against 6-time world champion Mary Kom before India's squad for 2020 Summer Olympics in Japan, former junior world champion Nikhat Zareen has written to Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju. As per reports, Zareen was refused a trial by the Boxing Federation of India (BFI) for the World Championships in Russia recently, and the Manipuri champion Pizoles was selected ahead of her. In a tweet to Rijiju, Zareen wrote, "All I want is a fair chance. If I am not given the opportunity to compete with what I am training for, sports is about fair play and I don't want to lose faith in my country." South African opener Aiden Markram will miss the third and final test against India due to a wrist injury after he lashed out in frustration at his own performance in the previous match in Pune, according to media reports today. Markram scored 5 and 39 in the series opener in Vizag and registered a pair of ducks in Pune earlier. The final test match will begin at Ranchi this Saturday. Liverpool fullback Trent Alexander-Arnold has officially entered the Guinness World Record book for his haul of 12 assists in the Premier League last season, media reported. The 21-year-old became an undisputed starter at right back in the 2018-2019 campaign, featuring 29 times as the Reds narrowly missed out on the Premier League title to Manchester City. Alexander-Arnold's performances earned him a place in the Professional Footballers Association (PFA) Premier League Team of the Year, and he has also become a regular at international level for England. His effectiveness in the final third has drawn most acclaim, and his remarkable haul of 12 assists in a new record for a defender in the Premier League, going one better than his teammate Andy Robertson, who managed 11 in the same season. Miami may be hosting a Formula One race in 2021 after organizer announced a deal in principle had been reached. According to reports, the proposed race would take place in the vicinity of the Miami Dolphins Hard Rock Stadium after plans for a street circuit in the downtown area of the city were postponed in 2018 because of local protest and concern over the provisional track route. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Manipur's culture is unparalleled, says Prahlad Singh Patel. Center requested to act against Kuki militant groups disrupting peace, says Radhishyam. And Moreh Hospital faces acute shortage of water. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.